how to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Right click on your Windows button. Okay, then tap on Computer Management. Now this Windows will pop up. Now you can see a Device Manager button. Click on it. Now you can see Network Adapters. Spread this option. Now tap on your Intel wireless adapter. Double tap it. Now this portion will pop up. Tap on the driver. Then tap on Update Driver. First of all, search automatically for drivers. Okay. If it is done, then close it. Then again tap on Update Driver. If you have already a driver installed, you can tap on Browse My Computer Drivers and you can browse for it. Then you have to tap on Next. Your new driver will be installed. That's how you can do it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.